Hi, I'm Judy Shaw for NYSE Floor Talk. Today we are taking it outside the NYSE to NYSE Experience Square. Joining me today is Hubertus Mühlhäuser. He is the CEO of CNH Industrial. CNH Industrial designs and manufactures a range of vehicles from tractors and combines to trucks and buses, and also develops powertrain solutions for on and off-road and marine vehicles. CNH Industrial is the result of the 2013 merger between Fiat Industrial and CNH Global. The company is headquartered in London and is a global leader in the industrial goods sector. The company trades on the NYSE under the ticker symbol CNHI and is here today for its 2019 Capital Markets Day. Hubertus, thank you so much for joining me.
Yeah, thanks for the invitation. It's a pleasure to be back here to the New York Stock Exchange. Thank you.
Okay, so today you kicked off the day with a huge announcement regarding your on-highway and off-highway businesses. Tell us all about that.
Yeah, well, we kicked off with several messages. The big news today is that we're going to spin off our successful on-road business, which is trucks and engines, you see them there, to create the global leader in sustainable on-road transportation. And we've also announced today a partnership with Nikola Trucks, which is a leader in fuel cell, a very disruptive carbon-free propulsion system. So therefore, we're going to be a sustainable truck manufacturer going forward. And that's the exciting news of the day.
Now, what are some of the different trends that are impacting your businesses?
Well, as you can see here, I mean, we're disrupted kind of by four trends, and we're using those trends to disrupt the industry. The first one is digitalization and automation. And you see a tractor behind me that has no cab. So it's driving completely autonomously. So that's kind of the first trend, digital autonomous. And the other one is really alternative propulsion. And that is that you basically try to reduce the CO2 impact that we have on our climate because we believe in climate change and we basically want to do better for the climate. So sustainability, alternative propulsion is another key trend that we have, and we are embarking on that, and I think we're disrupting the industry with that.
Okay, you mentioned climate change and being socially responsible. I know that that's important to you and you're committed to that.
Yeah.
Now you've brought several of your concept vehicles here. Tell me all about these vehicles and how you are displaying this.
Yeah. Well, I think we talked about the truck already, which is going to be CO2 neutral because of fuel cells. The tractor that we have here is a very interesting one because that one is CO2 neutral as well. We take basically biogas from biodigesters that are available on farms. We transform that into methane gas that we can power this tractor with, and with that one it becomes CO2 neutral. Or if you look at the wheel loader behind me, this one, the beautiful case wheel loader, it's the same concept. It's CO2 neutrality. It's a product that's highly automated, and we believe that's the future. And actually, the products that you see here right now on display, prototypes, they're going to be in the field on manufacturing or construction sites and on the road very, very soon. So we expect to launch our first, completely carbon-free truck in 2 years from now.
Now, how do you think your innovations will impact your customers' day-to-day operations?
I think they're going to be very, very good for them. Total cost of ownership is going to come down. Because of the digitalization on the agricultural side, yields are going to go up, productivity is going to go up, so it's going to benefit them a lot. And it's going to benefit us and our shareholders as well, because we basically predict that we will outgrow the market with those machines and we will gain market share. And that's one part of the story that we announced today at the Capital Markets Day. And the second one is we do believe that we have a lot of mix opportunity and margin improvement opportunity. So we are a growth story, a margin improvement story, and of course an exciting spin story with unlocking value of the portfolio.
Hubertus, thank you so much for joining me.
Thanks, Judy.
That was Hubertus Mühlhäuser, CEO of CNH Industrial, and I'm Judy Shaw for NYSE Floor Talk.
Thank you.